So this is my dream house, and content got it for me. You won't believe it, but content got me my dream house. So in this video, I'll show you around, I'll show you the changes that I did, how this house helps me produce more, work better, and I'll give you some key insights about how to use content as well to make your dreams come true. So come with me. So the guys from Gear Up came here. They brought their small army and they turned this place into this professional home gym. Check it out. This is my favorite corner in the house. I have everything here. Solid bench, this multi-purpose machine where I can do more than 50 different exercises. I mean, people who know how to exercise know how to use this. I have my rack with all the different dumbbells and kettlebells that I need. My Olympic bar, of course, and a little bit of motivation, some extra power from JBL. Extra weights right here. The professional floor that feels and smells like a professional gym. And the whole thing gives you the isolation and the power to start your day strong, especially after a good dive in the pool. So this is the second thing I do in the morning before I go to the office and start creating content. And of course I have a professional treadmill because, you know, we're getting older, so we need some cardio. And I can enjoy my favorite podcast here and just do some cardio in the morning along with my weights. So I have everything I need in one single space with a beautiful view outside. And that's how my day starts. Welcome to the main house. So here's the main living space, my brand new kitchen where I'm doing some great brunches. I might cook for you one day. Do you want to see some cooking lessons or not? I'm not the best one, trust me. This is my living room where I chill, where I eat. Nothing too fancy, but a great view. This connects with the first floor, my living room, my wardrobe, and that's pretty much it. So let's now go to the studio where the magic happens daily. And this is the third floor where the magic happens every single day. So I hope you're ready. Let me show you. So this is my creativity area. It used to be a standalone apartment, but I turned it into a studio. And as you see right here, we have the main corner. This is my office. This is the main area that I'm shooting my videos. I have my lights open so I can shoot on the spot without having to set up things again and again. And the plan is, and you see the mess because we just moved here, to have two different shooting spots. One here with a Simply Hustlers sign, the one that is for my community, so I want to have something that brands actually my videos, and there will be another one right here, so I can have different angles, different background shots, different aesthetic in my videos, depending on what exactly I want to do. But this is the main spot, and as you see, there's a kitchen here, there's another room here, there's a bathroom, there's a huge area in the back, but I wanted to make this an area that I can isolate myself without any noise. It's different from the rest of the house. I have this amazing view right here that I can watch. And since I'm a huge seed junkie, it really inspires me to do the things that I want to do. And it's really important to have a creativity corner, something that really inspires you, makes you feel good in order to be creative, because you can never do good things if you don't feel good inside, right? So find a spot like this. You don't need crazy money to create something like that. Even in a small room, you can do it. With demo equipment, all these accessories that you see don't cost more than 20 bucks. You just need creativity, the basics of lighting, and a good camera. Even your mobile phone, your iPhone could do it. So don't look for excuses, right? Because as you see right here, It's simply hustle.
So all that, and not just that, many more, is because of content. That was the engine of growth for me. That was the base to build different revenue streams. Simply Digital is a marketing agency. To bring me sponsored deals, because I have 4 million followers on all social media, so brands want to work with me. Get revenue from affiliate deals, build new tools, earn from consultation, build paid communities, launch digital products and paid courses, and so many others. This is the list of the revenue streams that I have right now, and all that started with content. So let me tell you exactly what are the steps you need to follow to do exactly the same. The first thing you need to do as of today is to make it a priority. And don't tell me this is a cliché, because this is not a priority you think about. The expected outcome, the desired outcome that most people have, has nothing to do with the amount of effort you need to put down daily. I'll tell you a story. When I started taking Instagram seriously, I was making some silly posts with a nice quote, a couple of marketing tips, and that was that. I thought I was done for the day. And then I found a couple of creators on Instagram in my niche that were creating seamless carousels, spending 3 to 4 hours to create one post. That changed completely my perspective on the importance of every single piece of content I put out. So as of this point, I started reflecting this importance in my calendar. From 12 to 2 p.m. every single day, I was with my notebook, writing ideas, I didn't have AI back then, creating designs with Canva, starting some videos on TikTok, and that was my creativity time. I had to create something meaningful and put it out every single day. No days off. For the first 6 months, I posted every single day on every platform. That's how you make it a priority. You reflect it in the quality of content, in your daily schedule, not whenever you have time, and in your consistency, your commitment to do that daily, no matter what, no matter the workload or your mood. Because if you do that, you will never be consistent. And of course, you need to fall in love with content creation, not make it because you want to reach a specific point. You want to fall in love with this craft, with content. The second thing you need to pay attention to, you want to become the brand ambassador of your industry, not another content creator, not somebody who is here to sell himself, to feel important, to give us little knowledge from the things that they know. You are here to share everything you know selflessly, like your life depends on it, because it does. Most people hold back things they know. They believe that if they share everything they know on social media, their competitors will steal their knowledge and their clients will have no reason to work with them because they know already. Guess what? It works exactly the opposite way. The more you share, the more trust you get, the more your authority grows, and the more clients eventually you get. Your goal here is to reinvent your industry, to become the synonym of your industry. People see me on their screen and they know I'm going to teach digital AI simply. That's my brand name. That's what I earned, right? So they see websites and AI tools, they think of Konstantinos. That's who you want to become. A synonym of your industry. So serve your industry like you don't even care if you get clients. The third thing is AI. When I started, I didn't have that. So I had to create everything from research and from my own experience. I took my browser bookmarks and I started sharing every single website that I was genuinely excited about. And that worked. So what you want to do is use AI strategically. We're not going to ignore it because it's an amazing researcher, enabler, accelerator of everything you know. AI is not here to substitute you. It's not here to walk the path for you. It's here to accelerate that walk and help you expand your digital footprint faster. So use it to generate content ideas, understand your audience frequently asked questions, and transform them into multiple pieces of content that you will need to start creating as of today. You can use Perplexity, you can use ChatGPT, doesn't matter. Make the right questions, get the right answers, and do that at scale. In terms of platforms, the scene changes every single year. When I started, TikTok was the king, so I used it to drive attention and feed every single platform with new audience. Now it's a different story. Facebook is growing organically, so we need to use it and use the text and image posts to create as much content as possible, 5 10, 15 posts per day so you can get feedback about what your audience loves. And when you get this information, you will start transforming these ideas into long videos on YouTube and short videos on Instagram and TikTok. And of course, we're going to use AI to generate all these experiments, the 10, 15 experiments that you run on Facebook, and then transform them into video scripts so you can start talking to the camera. Number 5, don't just stay on social media. You need to start collecting emails early. One of the biggest mistakes that I didn't started collecting emails from the beginning. I would probably have more than 1 million emails so far. So do it early. Use DM automation on your posts so you can send people to your own website and your email list and start collecting emails. Create freebies, lead magnets, so you can collect emails and give something back for free, starting with the attention that you get from your posts, and do that with every single publication. Own your audience because social media changes completely every single year and you never know what happens. Email still converts and it's more valuable than anything else. Number 6, I know you love money, I love it too, but don't try too hard to monetize early. The first goal, especially when you start your content creation journey, is to prove yourself and to learn how to create content. Because above everything else, content creation is an amazing learning path for you. You're gonna become better in your craft, in content creation, in the understanding of your industry, and a better teacher, a better communicator. So that's the first goal of content creation, not earning money. After you do that, after you establish yourself, after you start attracting the audience that is fit for you, monetization, it's much easier. So don't focus on that too early because the priority is different. Number 7, video and content is all about hooks. Attention span is shrinking and your ability to grab people's attention and have a great retention for your video following this formula makes all the difference. So you need to master hooks, how you start your video, use numbers, use evoke curiosity, use negative hooks like don't, never, and use you in your videos. It always attracts attention. And no matter who you want to attract in terms of clients, always go broader. Social media is not about finding clients. It's about growing your footprint, your digital footprint that also leads to attracting clients. So no matter your needs, no matter your desired needs, go broader. Serve more people than your desired clients. And last but not least, very, very important, you can lose. Trust from your audience takes years to build and seconds to be lost. So always be honest. Don't try to fool your audience. Don't try to monetize no matter what, because it's going to backfire. And be careful about how you chase virality. You need to chase virality for the right reasons, for the right topics, because you're going to end up gathering people, gathering audience that have zero interest for your other posts. So use a golden formula between recruiting content, lighter, simpler, more basic kind of content, versus the more sophisticated things, the more sophisticated topics, the nurturing content that can really transform people from your audience to clients. So that's it. That was my house. That was the formula that helped me get it, helped me build all the monetization angles around my content, and all that in 3-4 years. The timeline for you might be different, but I promise you, if you stick to these rules consistently and you start loving the journey, you're gonna be surprised by the outcome of your effort. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, show some love, like it, share it, comment with your thoughts or the things that haven't worked for you in your content journey. And until next time, simply hustle.